Okay. So with WM, when you see the intra-company STO, the steps are mostly in this way. So S number, process step, transaction code, location, something. You can just to identify. Okay. First, STO will be created by receiving plant with ME21N and with item category U and all normal STO creation. Then create outbound delivery. There is a configuration where you can make it outbound delivery creation as automatic. In SPRO, it is there. Okay, I can show you if required. So, or else they have to create outbound delivery manually with VL10B. This will be done by supplying plant. After that, you have create transfer order. LT03 supplying plant. Then confirm transfer order. Are you using RF device or desktop only? LT12 that you need to see. If it is RF device, there are SAP standard RF transactions to confirm to you. That we will see in system. Then post goods issue. Post goods issue VL02N supplying plant. Any print also we can take from the VL02N only. They may print any print packing slip. Okay. So print. Generally, when the goods are going out of that, they will definitely print the packing slip. So that also they can print from the VL02N supplying plant. After that, if you are using inbound delivery, then create inbound delivery, or automatically also you can activate it. Create inbound delivery VL31N at receiving plant once the stock is coming. Here, if anything remarks, if I want to make it. Okay. So then create transfer order LT03 receiving plant. Then confirm transfer order LT12 receiving plant. Then post goods receipt VL32N receiving plant. Okay. So here this is the overall steps actually. There are scope. This one you can make it auto. Can be automated if business needs. This one can be automated. Even this also, but generally goods issue they do manual because they're sending the goods, right? They have to print a packing slip. Okay. So this one inbound delivery can be automated. Post goods receipt can be automated. Okay. How to automate? That's a technical thing that I will just show you. But these are the steps in a intra-company STO with WM. So if I keep it like this. Intra-company STO with delivery. SAP MM WM. All these modules are getting involved for this. Okay.
Okay.
So first you understand the manual steps and clearly. Later, how to automate and all you can explore. I will also give a little insight on this.
Okay.
Any questions about these steps so that I will go to SAP and try to show the wherever you can do little.
No, nothing. No question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let me explain clearly about the steps where you can automate based on the business requirement. For example, when the STO is created, business says that outbound delivery can be created automatically without manual. It can save time, but you need to understand that outbound delivery can be created if there is sufficient stock. If there is no sufficient stock, outbound delivery may not be created. Still, availability check will play the role, but you need to explain that point. So why outbound delivery is not created for certain STOs? Okay, and even there is a controls we can keep it that if there is no stock, STO creation also can be failed. Okay, those kind of points we need to explain to business and what is the reason for that if you're activating, because system will check based on availability check. If there is no stock, then system will not allow you to create it. Okay, there are different parameters are going to play based on what kind of delivery date you are giving. If you are giving after 2-3 months of delivery date, system may allow based on the availability check controls and all. Okay, those you have to explain to the business. So let me tell you that how to make outbound delivery automatic creation. We can go to Discord stuff. So if you go to SPRO, reference IMG, then you go to material management, purchasing, purchase order, then set up stock transport order. Okay, here there are two config nodes you can see. Activate automatic delivery creation. Here you have to select the purchase order and your pure document type and your supplying plant, from which plant you want to supply the goods. For all those supplying plants, you need to activate automatic delivery creation active. Okay, so you can keep the second option generally. So just it's an update now for details only. KZTLF. What is KZTLF also you can see if you go to SC16N. LAKP, KZ, what is the field name? KZTLF. If we don't find here, we can find in somewhere. VBUK. VBUK is the sales document header status. KZTLF. VBUP. KZTLF. Yeah, this one. So the LAPS, partial delivery or item. Okay, you want to update as a value B. So this is the one. So you can keep it. What is B? Create only one delivery. Also create with quantity 0. Okay. So you can select this option like create only one delivery for entire quantity. If you want to have that kind of requirement, you can use it. Otherwise, you can just make it blank. So partial deliveries also can be created. So based on the requirement, for example, you want to create partial deliveries as per available quantity, then you can create auto delivery creation, no change to that field. Okay, whatever the based on requirement, you can select it. Auto delivery creation active. So this is the way how you can make auto delivery. Here you have to keep it, and also in the second configuration for the PO document type and NB for your shipping point, whatever your shipping point, you have to make it this one. Same way, auto delivery creation active and no changes to that field. Partial delivery is allowed or not, that field also you can decide that. Both you need to keep it same way. So the system will create delivery automatically whenever you save the STO. This is the way you can make it automatic. Second, create TO automatically. Create TO automatic. You have to use this condition records. There no configuration is required. V2 shipping condition records. There is a SAP standard output type called WMTA. For this WMTA, you need to maintain the condition records for the respective combination, like delivery type and shipping conditions. If you maintain the condition records, as soon as outbound delivery is saved, system will create the transfer order. So if there is sufficient stock, then only it will be created. Otherwise, it won't create. You need to create manually later. Okay. So that's why we generally follow VL06I also. We can create one background job, or else if you use this function, still business has to ensure that is there anything pending. For example, when they run this VL06O, they can check for picking any kind of deliveries are waiting for picking, because during delivery creation, there is no sufficient WM stock. That's why the TO creation is failed. So business can monitor and create. Or else for this one, you can create a background job. So the system will run every 1 hour or half an hour and create the delivery transfer orders automatically. So there is a two methods we discussed about automatic TO creation. If there is any printout from outbound delivery during TO creation, of course you can have the same outbound that output condition records. Keep it 4, so it will be automatically printed. Post goods issue, this also can be automated based on your business requirement. Where can you do that? In SPRO, you have to go to WM. SPRO, logistics, execution, and warehouse management. Then interfaces, then shipping, go to define shipping control. Here there is a configuration called define shipping control at moment type level. So this configuration can be used for both inbound delivery or outbound delivery. For example, let's take it outbound delivery. The moment type is 601. The 601 WM moment type will be applicable either it is sales order related delivery with 601 moment, or else STO related delivery 641. Whatever moment type, in WM there is only one moment type 601. So for this 601 you have to put this configuration. I will explain you these two things, what is number 2 and number 4. For example, number 2 and number 4. Number 2, what is this? Copy WM quantity as delivery quantity and then post GR or GI. Do not take WM quantity as delivery quantity, but post GR or GI. Okay, this is the 2 and 4. Let me explain what is 2 and what is 4. Okay, here it is there, right? So the font size, let's make it 28. Okay, what is 2 and what is 4? In case of 2, the delivery quantity, this is applicable for both inbound and outbound delivery. Delivery quantity and pick quantity or put away quantity. Pick or put away quantity. For example, delivery quantity is 30. Okay. Transfer order is created for 25. Now you have created the TO and confirm the TO. While confirming the TO, if you have activated 2, then what system will do? It will do 25, 25, and it will post the post GR or GI. Okay. Any questions about this point? Point number 2.
No.
Okay. In case of 4, what will happen? 30 and 25. System will still wait for that 25 and system will expect for 5 more. Okay. So system will expect for 5 more GR, 5 more TO confirmation. So still system will wait for 30 and 30. Then only it will post the GR or GA. That is the difference between 2 and 4. Until complete delivery quantity is converted to transfer order and confirm TO, then only it will post the GR or GA. In case of 4. Okay. That is the 4 and this is the 2. So you need to decide like whichever is, if business says that one, whatever we have confirmed that you can do the GR or GA, then you can go for 2. But remaining 5 quantity, they have to create a new delivery. New delivery or increase the delivery quantity later. Okay, mostly new delivery, they will go for that. But I see in my experience, number 4 is commonly used because they already planned for 30 quantity. They want to send the same 30 quantity. Until if they don't have a sufficient stock, someone can monitor the delivery and change the 30 to 25. Okay. So this is the way how you can do the goods issue automatically. So the same way, post goods issue, and currently whatever I explained, right, 5 and 10, that explanation is applicable for both 5 and 10. How you can make it GR automatic, how you can make it J automatic. Okay, that will be applicable. And print packing slip during goods issue only, then we need to discuss this one point here. Normally, if you keep number 4, system automatically print it. But if you want to print after goods issue only, not during delivery creation, then there is a SAP standard routine. Maybe you can go to maybe anything, any output type. Okay. So we to go to procedures. Maybe we can go to any header output, automatic header, anything standard you can go. Okay. I want to tell this requirement only. See here, number one. Okay. So the packing slip related output type must be assigned to the requirement number one, because then only system will trigger this output type after goods issue. If you don't keep that one, then system will print the packing slip while saving the delivery itself. Once the outbound delivery is created, system will print it. But no, you want the print at the time of goods issue only, because that's the packing slip which should be printed after goods issue, and which will have the information about goods issue quantity and any other information related to the delivery. Okay. Bill of lading or any other information. Then you must assign this SAP standard one. You can see here delivery GI posted. It means the outbound condition type, like output type, will not be visible after DO creation. After DO creation, the messages will be blank. But once you do the post goods issue, system will immediately trigger this output type, and it will print it. So you must understand this one. If you want to print automatically after goods issue, you should select this one. Okay. Whether you want to print immediately means you will keep number 4. What is this number 4 I'm talking about? We can check here. V2 condition records, and maybe anything you can just select delivery note, maybe 0001 or 1000, 1000. Okay. Communication. Okay. Maybe we'll select something else. Okay, I'm talking about that number 3, right? This one. So if you keep number 4, system will immediately print out once it is saved. If you give number 3, we have to go manual. Okay, either VL75, whatever the transaction. In case of Amigo, we have to go to MB90, like that. So number 4 means once the document is saved, it will automatically print out. That is the condition records difference we need to find out. Okay, so we have seen how to print packing slip automatically, and we have seen post goods received and post goods issue automatic, everything. Now the main important or the last one, how to create inbound delivery automatically after goods issue against outbound delivery. There are two methods are there. For example, if the both supplying and receiving are in the same SAP system, we use the SPED output type. Okay, so SPED output type. Otherwise, we need to use the IDOC method if the system is different. But generally, the system different may happen if there are two different companies and one is using SAP, one is not using SAP at that point of time only. But SPED is the quite commonly used, because the STO process happened between two companies or two plants, both are using SAP. So let me explain you about SPED at high level, what kind of setup need to be done. So in NSE itself, you will see, okay, see this one. Under same shipping V2, there is a output type called SPED. For this SPED, whether your delivery type is NL, okay, so we have to maintain the condition records. We have to maintain the condition records for SAP standard SPED. If you want to copy SPED, you can copy SPED and create a custom one. That is your wish, or else you can use SAP standard. Maintain condition records with 8 and 4. Okay, so 8 is special function and 4 means immediately. Okay, there will not be any communication details. Okay, so we will just maintain that details here.
Hello.
Yeah, 1 second. I'll just show you. Let me open the configuration. Okay. So let me show you from define onwards. SPED anyway, we are using SAP standard. So first of all, output type. If you want to create a new one, you can copy SPED and you can create it. SPED. So this is the one, SAP standard. Okay, SAP standard to contain the access sequence, default values. Okay, partner function you can keep it default, which is SH, ship to party, because we are handling whatever STO process where you want to create. Okay, so from outbound deliveries issue, inbound delivery created, so you can keep that partner function SH as a default. So remaining everything is normal. This is the SPED output type. We have to utilize it. After that, procedures. In new procedure, wherever your main procedure is there, right? In that procedure, SPED must be available. Otherwise, it won't work. See here. So you have to maintain SPED inbound delivery creation with requirement 408. So if you're using SAP standard SPED, you just need to maintain the configuration is proper. It is there. If you don't want to disturb the SAP standard, then you can copy SPED and create your own. And that also we can do it here itself. For example, V2, go to output type, SPED. I want to copy SPED and maybe I want to create G auto inbound delivery, auto IBD from OBD goods issue in, yeah, whatever, just one. And default values I mentioned, right? SH you can maintain default because it's a ship to party. So GAIB we created and everything we copied from SPED, so no worries. I just ask you to add ship to party because it will come automatically there, and send immediately, special function, all are fine. Save it. We'll create one SPED configuration. Okay. Save it. So we created a new output type, GIB, then go to procedures. You can use this standard header output. In your business, if you have any customized one, we need to add in that. So I just copy here. I will add 990 GAIB. Okay, 408 requirement you don't change, everything is same. So copy SPED and maintain in your header procedure of your outbound delivery. Okay, then maintain the condition records. Where is the GIB? This is the one, auto IBD from delivery type NL and SH. You can maintain the respective, or you can keep it like SH. The system will automatically, because different ship to parties, right? Different supplying plants will have a different ship to parties. You can keep it like this, then save it. So that's it. If you do these configurations, whenever the delivery type things are coming, then system will automatically trigger. If you want to maintain for specific delivery type and shipping point, those things and all you can select based on the the condition records different combinations. So this is the way how you can create inbound delivery automatically. When you do this setup, once the goods issue is posted, system will automatically create the inbound delivery. So this is the way how you can save some time of inbound delivery creation, automatic inbound delivery creation. And create TO, we can create manual mostly, because once the goods are received, then only business will plan it. So transfer order creation, I recommend mostly it can be manual, not automatic. And confirm transfer order 100% is manual. So you can see here, confirm transfer order in both the processes. I have not recommended anything about automatic, because the confirm transfer order is the process where you are confirming that here I'm picking the stock from the bin. Here I'm receiving the stock and placing into my bin. So that should be always manual. Okay. And in case of LT12, there are RF transactions. For example, if we keep it. Okay, let me first maintain profile definition, LRFMD. Okay, for 0001, we can maintain 0001, the user ID demo. Okay. So now I can go to LM01. LRFMD. We have to activate the status. You can go to SC93 LM if you don't remember the transactions, LM, and click F4. Okay, here you can see that LM star. So you can see here, picking by delivery, picking by TO. Okay, put away by TO. So if you want to have, in case of LT12, you want to use RF transaction to confirm picking, right? Then you can use either LM06 or LM05. LM05 you need to initiate with TO. LM06 you need to initiate with outbound delivery. Same way, LM02 you can do the LM03 for put away by TO. Okay, and LM02 you can confirm by SU. Okay, let me show you LM03. How does it look like? See, you have to scan the transfer order and proceed to do the picking. So here, GI, different things are there. Inbound, put away by transfer order. See the LM03. SAP standard menu will show you what are all the SAP standard transactions. Put away by delivery, you can input inbound delivery and do the confirmation of TO, LM09. So you don't have to remember. You can check SAP standard 001. You will see what are SAP standard transactions are available here. So inventory, bin count, okay, whatever, you can check it. Outbound, picking by TO, LM05, picking by delivery, LM06. These both will do in the backend, LT12. Okay. Okay. Any questions about in which places, what kind of RF transactions are there? You can check it. So in the entire process, number 4 and number 9 have the scope to use the RF transactions, because those are the actual confirmation which you are going on RF device at the ground level. Okay, so this is the entire process of STO to transfer from one plant to another plant with the WM. And based on the business requirement, business said that 10 steps we have to do. Then you can tell that second step can be automated. This is what will happen. Okay, and you have to tell the consequences, like if there is no sufficient stock, then you will get kind of auto delivery creation not happen, or STO creation issues can happen based on the available check. Create TO, always you can make it automated. There is no issues for that. But if you use WMTA, then system will create if there is sufficient stock, otherwise it will fail. Then they have to run manually. If you create background job for VL060, then system will always verify stock available and create automatically. Okay, that's the point you need to understand. Post goods issue, we have to tell them that once your picking confirmation is done, we will post goods issue automatically in the backend. So that will print a packing slip automatically, and inbound delivery will be automatically created, which is ready for the receiving plant to receive. So if the business say that, no, we want to do goods issue manually or something, then you can stop automation. Otherwise, we have a scope to reduce those steps. So among 10 steps, based on the business requirement, we can reduce almost 6 steps can be reduced. Goods receipt can be automated, goods issue can be automated, and confirm transfer order and this create transfer order and all must be manual, because that's a planning. And because inbound delivery is already we made automatic, so TO creation is also automatic, means they cannot understand that everything happened. Okay, so 100% you don't do this TO creation automatic, because the goods issue maybe happened on February 10th at supplying plant. Immediately inbound delivery is created. So if the transfer order is also created on the same time, that will lead confusions to the business, correct? So let business create transfer order once the physical goods are received at the receiving plant on 14th or 16th of February. Then let them create transfer order manually. And if they have any printout, they can take a printout and give to the warehouse team, so that warehouse team can proceed with the TO confirmation process. The post goods receipt can be automated, because already I have received the stock and the warehouse members have verified the quantity and they put it into the bin. Then someone has to go to desktop and do the post goods receipt manually. That's not required, right? Okay, so that can be automated. So we always need to think about operation, which step can be automated. Technically, you can do all the steps automatic. See, once I save the STO, all steps I can automate till here. But we need to understand the business requirement, which steps can be automated, which steps 100% must be manual. Because there is an operation, someone has to verify during goods issue, during picking. This is the one, TO confirmation, someone has to verify. And here someone has to verify during receiving. So those steps 100% cannot be recommended to have automatic. Okay, even you need to explain this also to the business. If you are making TO creation automatic, system will always fetch the storage bins based on the first in first out method. Okay, but if you want to pick specific materials, then it will be a problem, because automatic TO creation will take the bin based on the first in first out or last in first out, whatever their picking strategy. But if they want to pick specific materials, then we need to stop this automatic creation. They have to create manually. While creating transfer order, they can select the bins, which bin they wanted to pick. So as a consultant, you need to understand if it is automatic, what are the positives and what are the negatives or important points you need to highlight to the business. Is it clear to you?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Okay, I think this session has given like overall how the business understanding and what kind of steps we need to do, what steps we have to recommend to the business, and what is the significance of each step. I hope you got a better clarity. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you got good understanding about the business requirements and technical steps, and what are the possible values or possible processes you have for the handling the same process on RF device, and same process on the desktop, and same process in the front end, and same process in the back end. Okay, so I hope you got good knowledge, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.